Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, with my Boxycharm for the month of February, I got several makeup tools. So I got this 3-piece brush set from Alamar, and then it came with this Illuminati. I'm going to see how good this one is compared to the original Beauty Blender. And I'm going to go wet these, and then I will apply my base makeup. I went and got these wet. And here are what they look like wet. So this one just seems a little bit thicker in diameter than this one. They're both, this one's a little more fluffy, and this one's got a little bit more density to it. That's how I would describe it. I rarely use these for my foundation application. I find that I get better results for me by using brushes. So I am going to go ahead and use my Guerlain L'Essential foundation, and I have the shade 02N, and here it is on my little glass palette. I'm going to start with the Illuminati. For the other side, I'm going to go ahead and use the Beauty Blender. I'm going to get really, really close. First thing I'm noticing is that the Illuminati applied more product to the face. My Beauty Blender is not doing a very good job. You can see that's not as good of coverage. So let's just use some more foundation, shall we? All right, after applying another coat in this area, it's better. Not perfect, but better. Now with my e.l.f. powder brush, I'm going to dip into my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in the shade 1 Fair. With the Alamar bronzer brush, it looks like this. It's got those little bumps in it. It's just the way that it's cut. I'm going to go ahead and use my Pure Bronzing Act in Light. With the Alamar complexion brush, I am going to dip into my Benefit Cheek Leaders palette and use Gold Rush. It picked up a decent amount of blush for me. The final brush I received in my Boxycharm is the brightening brush. So I am going to use this as my highlighter today, highlighter brush. I am dipping into that same Benefit palette and I'm getting the shade Cookie. Ooh, I like the way that this is applying. My final thoughts for the new tool set for the Illuminati. I like this. It gave better coverage with less product than the Beauty Blender. I know Beauty Blenders notoriously suck up, and this one just seems denser. So this is 21. The Illuminati is 21, and Beauty Blenders are $20. I don't use these very often for my application of makeup, but if I were to choose one, I would pick the Illuminati, especially for just $1 more. I'll leave their website down below in case you want to check them out. I'm going to check them out as well, see what other products they have. And then as far as the brush set, according to the beauty card, these range, this 3-piece Alamar brush set. I like them. I wasn't sure how this bronzer brush was going to work, but I like the way that it applied the bronzer. Same thing with the blush. I used a complexion brush, and then this. I'm really pleased with how my highlighter turned out. I do recommend these. I am going to look into more Alamar products, see what other brushes they have available, and I may pick up some more. Anyways, I do hope that you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to click on and watch it and deal with me with the birds. It's crazy. Thank God the windows are shut. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and then ring that bell notification, and you'll never miss the video that I upload. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Much love. I swear to God, the birds are trying to kill me. What in the hell? I shit you not. These birds are going to kill me.